Consider a scenario where you're driving and you come across a hitchhiker, somebody asking for a lift on the road. Most probably you will not give the lift, but say that you are great of heart and sab kuch theek hai, it's an ideal world, and you offer that person a lift and you stop the car. Actually, you don't offer the lift, you stop the car. As soon as you stop the car and roll down the window and that person approaches you, start talking about, do you know this car was bought by my grandfather? It has the original engine in it, okay, and it was used by the Maharaja of so and so. And suddenly what happened? That person says, okay, bye, sorry I even asked. That is the exact same thing that is happening with us, with our solar clients. As soon as they approach us, we start giving them proposal, telling them solar is good, solar is this, solar is that, and they get bored out of it. The best way to convert a solar client or a solar lead into a customer is by engaging them in the things that they are interested in. Yes, not what we are, not our company, not me, मैंने क्या किया, मेरी company इतना अच्छा है, हमने इतने installations किए हैं. Those are useless facts to a person who is looking for solar. Okay, at least initially. But what if you can get them to sit with you for about 30 minutes and design their solar installation, their rooftop system right in front of them? Now, wouldn't that be engaging? Because they will be talking to you about their house, where the staircase is, where the roof is, how the panels would look. And what if you could give them a 3D model, a shadow analysis, and a complete financial analysis along with the savings in that 30 minutes? Now, that's called engagement. That's called getting, or rather hitting the nail on the head. Okay, why? Because the customer is involved with you for about 30 to 45 minutes, talking about their problems, their issues, their solar system, how it would look on their house. It is all about the customer, there, and there. Right? So we are conducting a live 3D modeling session for solar companies. Okay, you can join us and we will show you how you can create a 3D model, a shadow analysis, a financial report, and a beautiful proposal for your customer, sitting with your customer at their house, over the Zoom, over WhatsApp, or however you want, in just 30 minutes for residential customer, and increase your engagement with the same customer by 80 to 90%. Yes, 80 to 90%, not 8 to 9%, 80 to 90%, which in turn increases your customer acquisition by 20 to 50% as a bonus, actually. So join me for the live webinar. It's not actually a webinar, it's a YouTube live. So join me there, 30 minutes, no gyan ki baat, no this and that, and our company does this and that. All we're going to talk about, rather all we're going to show you in those 30 minutes is how you can increase your conversion ratio by about 50% for your solar customers. See you then, take care, bye-bye.